Hello, Rhonda Schaefer living in Fairport, New York. Today I will talk about a poem entitled The Journey by Robert Longley. If you find value in today's video, I would love for you to share your thoughts with a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. The journey reminds me of my business ventures. I wonder if it does for you too. Where is it you journey? Where is it you've been? You're focused on the future. The question, though, is when. All of it reflective of days no longer here, clinging to the memories of things you once held dear. The piece that you are missing is what you see each day. It is the now you're living, which prepares you for your way. So close your eyes to future or days preceding now and focus on the present, for today will show you how. Are you being mindful of the productivity of your actions and tasks today? Are they going to help you to reach your goals? Thank you for watching, and may your day be full of much love and many blessings. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, please comment and subscribe so I know. Thank you.